What up, what up, what up? It's your girl Raah Vibez here with the dancehall move of the week. So today's move is one of my absolute faves. It's called In My Feelings by Overload Skankaz. Let's do it.
When you a say to me party, me have to move anytime the money call me. Move, top down yellow Maserati. Cop a few of them before me 40. Oh, she gon' make another one drop. Anytime we chat is another contract. Sign, Benz pan the wharf and the beam are just clear. My friend them a short is a bad one.
Alright, I hope you're ready because we're jumping right in. So, first thing you want to do is put your right foot in front, left foot behind, okay? You're going to take your right hand and you want to pretend like you have butter all over it. And you're going to spread the butter on some bread, okay? So that's 1, 2, okay? Next thing we want to do, on 3, we're flipping our hand back over, but also on 3, we want to kind of do the same movement with our head, okay? So we're going to kind of go to the left and go to the right, okay? And really just feel it, like you're kind of just like snaking, grooving into that movement, okay? So from the top again, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Now, after that, what we're going to do is pretty much kind of switching back and forth. So we want to take our left hand, we're going to bring it up and place it down in front. At the same time, when we bring our left hand up, we bring our right foot back and left foot in front. So you want to, from here, reach, place, okay? And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Reach, place, all right? So let's try to put that together slowly from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? All right, let's try it with some music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
When you a say to me party, me have to move anytime the money call me. Move, top down yellow Maserati. Cop a few of them before me 40. Oh, she gon' make another one drop. Anytime we chat is another contract. Sign, Benz pan the wharf and the beam are just clear. My friend them a short is a bad one that.
Now move yourself. In My Feelings by Overload Skankaz. Round of applause. Great job, y'all. And remember, practice makes progress. Once again, I'm Raah Vibez. Thanks for tuning in and make sure to subscribe, follow me on social media, and sign up for my newsletter at raahvibez.com for more dance tutorials.